I'm still trying to locate the little white thing that depresses the brake pedal and lets off the switch lights, the brake switch lights. I don't know where it is. Oh my gosh. It's some kind of little white, or maybe black, I don't know. Yeah, I am not a mechanic. I am so not a car mechanic. I can't even find the piece I need to replace. I thought it was the brake switch, but it's not that brake switch right there. It's the, I don't even know what the part number is. Oh, dang it. I'm glad I'm a girl. I wouldn't want to be a guy and do this stuff. Oh, wait, that's some of that politically incorrect crap. Oh, just erase that. Okay, well, I can't even find it in the video. I'm going to go back and look again and try to match it up with that other dude's video. Oh, that may be it. Oh, where'd it go? I can see it in the camera. Oh, it's way up here. Okay. Wherever, that's why I got it.